Today's Sourdough Sunday. Today I'm making mini chocolate chip sourdoughs. First I'm going to add 125 grams of active starter into a large bowl. Next add 2 teaspoons of salt. Next add 1/4 cup of sugar. Then add 280 grams of warm filtered water. Next mix it up. Then add 475 grams of unbleached bread flour. Next mix it up until the dough forms. Then cover up the dough and let it rest for 30 minutes. After the 30 minutes, add 1 stick of cubed cold butter. Next, add 2/3 cup of mini chocolate chips. Next, I'm going to do the first round of 3 rounds of stretch and folds, which just means I'm going to lift up the dough and place it on itself and then cover the dough back up and let it rest for 30 minutes in between each round. Now I'm going to do my last round in stretch and folds and then cover the dough back up and let this rise for 6 to 8 hours or until it doubles in size. Once the dough has doubled in size, I have it on a floured counter. I'm going to flatten out the dough and then fold in each side and roll it up into a ball. Then I'm going to cut the dough into 8 pieces and then roll each piece into a ball. Then take each dough ball and put it into a greased muffin pan and then cover this up and put this in the fridge overnight. Then the next day, score the top of each dough ball and then fill the remaining muffins with water and bake this at 375 for 30 to 40 minutes. Once the mini chocolate chip sourdoughs are done, I let them cool for 20 minutes before putting them on a platter, and here's an up-close look.